students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is climate change. What is climate change? Climate change is a change in the typical weather conditions that include temperature and rainfall over a long period of time. Scientists have observed that the earth is warming up and this increase in the global temperature is known as the global warming. तो constantly scientists ये observe कर पा रहे हैं कि जो world का temperature है earth का वो बढ़ता जा रहा है. This phenomena is referred to as global warming क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक country या दो country में नहीं हो रहा है, पूरे world में हो रहा है. Why is earth warming? Some of the gases in earth's atmosphere trap heat from the sun, as we would see in the case of the roof and walls of a greenhouse. These gases, called greenhouse gases, are important to keep the earth warm and enable life on it. However, human activities such as deforestation, burning of fossil fuels increase the concentration of the greenhouse gases. Thus, more sunlight is trapped, leading to a warmer earth. So now there are a number of gases because of which there are some sort of gases which tend to trap the heat coming from the sun. This is known as the greenhouse effect, and because these gases are being suspended in the atmosphere because of n number of reasons, and the temperature is rising because of that. What is the role of carbon in it? We know that all living things have carbon in them. As plants and animals die, they get buried under the ground and are converted into fossil fuels over thousands of years. When we burn these fuels, the carbon in them is released as carbon dioxide gas. There aren't enough plants and animals to absorb this extra carbon dioxide, and therefore it stays up in the atmosphere as a greenhouse gas and warms up the planet. So all of us, all the living creatures, plants, animals and human beings have carbon within them. When they die out, they bury down under the ground and then they get converted into fossil fuels, and then the rate of carbon, the percentage of carbon gets increased in the atmosphere. What does climate change do to the ocean? As the earth warms, the glaciers and ice sheets melt and flow into the oceans. As more and more water enters the sea, it makes the sea levels go higher. That means more and more land in the coastal areas will be immersed in water very soon. So what is the impact on the oceans of this global warming? As more and more global warming will increase, temperature will increase, the ice glaciers will melt, the entire being will come under the oceans. There are a lot of cities and villages who are underwater at present. Similar way, all the areas will go underground if the global warming will tend to rise at the same rate at which it is rising right now. Also, the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere continues to enter the oceans and seas, leading to acidification of the water. This can be very harmful for plants and animals. Also, because the carbon dioxide gas is increasing, because of that it is entering the oceans and it is increasing the acidification of water, which is posing a great threat to the marine life as well. So this is the entire concept of climate change. So we have to collectively do something on our parts to reduce the climate change impact. So with that, we're done with this chapter also. Go through this chapter, do something for climate change, for the positive impact, and do practice it.